Okay, so this is my Sensing and IoT project, a smart recycler. The idea behind this project is that recycling is confusing. We often don't know which bin to put the trash in, and we don't know how much our recycling decisions affect our carbon footprint. This system is collecting two main data streams. Firstly, a small PyCam here is classifying the trash you want to throw away via a custom machine learning model as a TensorFlow file. And secondly, two bins here record via IR sensors which bin you chose. As you can see here, they're actuated as the bin is open. So let's see what this looks like from the user's perspective. I've got an example piece of trash here, an egg carton, and I want to throw away this piece of trash, so I will press the button, which will take an image of my trash, and I'll wait for the bin state light to come on. I'll then throw away a bin of my choice. The bin state light will turn off when the IR sensor is tripped, and as you can see, it has correctly logged egg carton to our database, which is located at a Google Sheets. Here, as you can see, a new entry there at 2:25, which is the current time, egg carton, and a 1 to indicate that it has been recycled. Now, this information can be seen on a dashboard running on a local Flask server. So it's running a HTML script with embedded JavaScript to run this fully interactive graph to show my total carbon footprint over the week. And you can zoom in here and look around at your carbon footprint habits. And as you can see, the last entry was at 1:30. So if I just refresh this, it will show us our most recent one at 2:25, which is the current time. This website also shows some information about our recycling habits using some static pie charts, as you can see here. Now, the Google Sheets runs some post-processing using some secondary data on the raw data coming from the Raspberry Pi to show you a material breakdown and recycling correctness. For example, 72% of the trash I've recycled today has been plastic, and 55% of my bin decisions have been correct. So now that we've shown that the system works with an egg carton, let's try some other pieces of packaging and see how it handles it. So I've got a Pringles can here, which is one of the 15 that it accepts. Same as before, we'll just hold it over the camera and wait for the bin state light. I think this should be thrown in the general waste. And as you can see there, it's correctly classed out as a Pringles can. Let's try something else. We've got a small plastic tub here. I think it should be recycled, so as usual. As you can see, it's correctly classed as a plastic tub small. And finally, I've got some clear plastic film here. Wait for the bin state light. Put that away. As you can see, it's correctly classed as plastic film clear. And just to check here, it has correctly appended all three of those to the Google Sheets file. So another piece of actuation in the system here is the auto sorter. Now this essentially just adds a servo motor to automatically sort the trash into the right bin for you. So let's test it with this recyclable egg carton. The recycling bin is here, so it should automatically sort it for us. As you can see, it's dropped through there. Let's try it with an unrecyclable piece of trash here. See if it puts it in the bin on the right. And there we are. As you can see, it's working. Try with one more piece of trash. This is also unrecyclable. There it is.